So today we're going to talk about Accutane and hair removal. That's something that maybe people wouldn't necessarily associate together, but I think it's something that is important to talk about. Just because Accutane obviously affects your skin and it's going to affect your hair follicles as well. This probably is a little bit more pertinent to women. But maybe to some men as well. Yeah. So what I'm talking about in particular is things like waxing and laser hair removal and things like that that women might usually kind of go after and that you should really avoid while you are on Accutane and for a period after Accutane that doctors don't tend to talk about. Because I don't know, just don't think about it. And it can be pretty dangerous. So, yeah. Waxing. Bad idea. Don't do it. Like, it will literally rip your skin off. So, ladies, I know it's nice, smooth feeling, but there are alternative methods, and we will talk about that. So, obviously, while you're on Accutane, your skin is very sensitive. It's dry, it's flaky, it doesn't have the oils it needs to keep its barriers safe. And the first time I was on Accutane, I figured I would be safe for, once I had stopped, to get my eyebrows done, to get my eyebrows waxed after about 2.5, 3 months. Because my doctor had been like, yeah, that kind of thing would be fine, or I'd ask an esthetician, or somebody had told me 3 months would be fine. Sure. And then I went to get my eyebrows waxed, and it wasn't the first time I'd done it, so I knew it was a normal process, and it was a good salon, and it literally ripped the skin right off of my eyebrows. It was just red, 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 and like it didn't bleed or anything, but it was just really very red and looked terrible and awful. And yeah, it's just because your skin's not ready for that kind of harsh treatment yet, because it still has Accutane in the system. It usually takes about, I guess, 3 months to get that out. So I would avoid waxing or anything like that for yeah, probably double the amount of time, if you can. Secondly, laser hair removal. I'm a big fan. Do that if you can afford it. Makes life convenient, but not while you're on Accutane. And same kind of spiel. You probably want to wait at least 6 months, maybe longer if you can, just because. Same as you're sensitive to the sun when you're on Accutane, and it can cause the hypopigmentation. You can like have discoloration of your skin. Yeah, the same thing can happen with the lasers if you use it too soon. So maybe you want to get that done before you do the medication, and then after you stop your treatment, wait at least 6 months, and then consult with a dermatologist and see whether or not that is safe, or you can do a test patch a lot of the time. And but and it sucks to wait, but it's better than having a huge scar. That being said, there's other things you can do. There's the hair removal creams. Whoops. I wish this light would work. Hair removal creams you can do. It's just put it on wherever you want to have your hair dissolve, and then just have it on for maybe somewhere between 5 and 15 minutes, and it just kind of dissolves away. So that's pretty easy. I don't personally like the sensation of that, because it still feels like it's kind of like almost stubbly. It doesn't like get beneath the surface, but if you don't really like pain, it's really easy. So that's an option. Also, there's just like bleach. You can always just do that. That's really easy. But this one's just like a powder and a cream, and you mix it together and slough it on and wait 15 minutes, and then voila, that's the problem solved. Of course, there's your good old friend, the razor, and just because when you are on Accutane, your skin's a little sensitive. If you don't usually use shaving cream, it might be a good idea. And definitely put moisturizer on after if you don't usually do that. For eyebrows, there's your good old friend, the tweezer. What I really like to do is eyebrow threading too. I don't have a thread right now on me, but eyebrow threading is really nice. If you ever want me to do a tutorial on that, I can do that. So just comment and I can do that. I also have this like weird spoolie tool thing. It's like a spring. I have no idea what it's even called. I just got it on eBay once. It's like for $1. And all you do is kind of like, I don't even know, make weird faces, and you kind of just like do like that, and it's like honestly pretty painful, but it gets rid of all these little baby hairs that are annoying. And you can use it just anywhere. You just roll it up like shwing, shwing, and it gets rid of things. And yeah, that is some hair removal tips. If you guys have any questions on that, let me know. And yeah, okay, thanks, bye.